All right, this is, I think now we're really officially in section 3.2. This is the section where they call it the multiplication rule. And then they tell you the multiplication rule, which is this thing over here. I already told it to you in the previous section, is if things are independent of each other, like dice and cards or dice and coins or something, then you could just multiply the probabilities together. And that's what this is. It's multiplying something together. All right, now, how am I supposed to understand this? Okay, because it was like, you know, getting a 5 and getting heads. Those are two things, and all of a sudden I ended up multiplying two things together. But this, B line A, what does that even mean? It means the word given, which they don't even define for you until the next section. So why are you giving me a rule that there's no way I can use it because I don't know what that line means? The best plan for the multiplication rule is to get rid of it. Okay, now we're just going to think this through instead. And, the word and. Okay, here's my bucket of marbles. It's still got my 100 marbles in it. Okay, and it's still the case that 30 of them are blue and 70 of them are yellow. Okay, but what happened was I bought some marbles, and then I went back to buy some more marbles, and they were out of the good old-fashioned glass kind, and I had to buy some plastic marbles. Okay, so to make up my set of 30, I had to throw some blue plastic ones and some blue glass ones into my bucket, and some yellow plastic ones and some yellow glass ones into my bucket, but I got the numbers to work out. So altogether, I got 53 plastic ones in there, and I got 47 glass ones in there. That's what's in my bucket. It's still 100. If you add them up this way or you add them up that way, it's 100 because there's 100 things in there. Okay, and now I would like to figure out the probability of blue and plastic. So I take my bucket and I set it in a different room, and I find a toddler, and I say, go into that room and go get me one that's blue and plastic. Now, there's no telling what they're going to come back with, but if they might come back with a blue glass one. Well, they didn't get it right. You said blue and plastic. Okay, they brought blue glass. That's not right. They might bring back a yellow plastic one. Okay, that's not right either. Or they might bring back a yellow glass one. There's like, out of the 100 in there, only 12 of them are they going to manage to do it right. So you have like a 12 out of 100 chance of getting it right when you send them in there to do that. But all I did was I just kind of thought it through. I didn't try and use a rule. I just went those ones. The ones that match the words, blue and plastic. One circle right there. That's all you get. Okay, 12 out of 100 in my calculator. Because I don't like to reduce fractions because I don't want to think it through. So I got 12 divided by my 100 in the calculator. Oh, that's like 0.12. Okay, probably could have figured that out. All right, yellow and plastic. So now we don't even need to think it through. I know I just find the words that match up and I circle that one, and that's my numerator. Yellow plastic. That one right there, 41. Okay, 41 out of 100. And that's how you do and. You find the one that you could circle that matches the words, and that's your numerator. And always this number down here is your denominator.